subscribe and press the bell icon, and never miss any updates and videos.
Competition is the best teacher. Robust competition occurs when average people win by putting above average efforts. Competition is the best teacher to learn business. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to better it. Competition helps you to understand where your brand stands compared to others. And what does it teach you? Friends, competition teaches you to alternate ways of excellence. It pushes you to innovate, to be more efficient and to become more effective. Competition teaches you about the field of business you are in, what to do and what not to do. Resourcefulness and the right strategy is required to compete and win.